the strategic management project about Subway Company. Company background. In 1965, Subway started business as a small sandwich shop in the USA, named P Super Submarine by Fred DeLuca and Peter Buck. Later, it changed into Subway and began franchising. Today, Subway is the world's largest submarine sandwich chain. The current situation begins with the customer traffic of Subway was fell by 25% between 2012 and 2017. In 2018, Subway is planning to close another 500 branches of Subway in the US. The mission of Subway. The Subway system is committed to providing a wide range of great tasting, healthier food choices while reducing our environmental footprints and creating a positive influence in the communities we serve around the world. The vision is be the number one quick service restaurant franchise in the world while delivering fresh, delicious sandwiches and exceptional experience. Structure of the company. The competitors. There are many powerful competitors such as McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Taco Bell, and many. For the market, Subway operates the business in 112 countries with 32,431 restaurants. The main customer will be aged between 18 and 39 approximately. Most of customers in the US are women. For suppliers, Subway focuses on creating long-established relationships with suppliers. For example, Subway maintained a relationship with meat makers since 1993 until now. For strategic group analysis, in the chart below, I analyzed the fast food restaurant chains by using chain size and food safety in case of antibiotic reduction practice. As you can see, Subway has the largest chain size, while Panera Bread had a best gate in food safety, and IHOP has the smallest chain size and poor gate in food safety. Potential analysis. The political factors. The first one is Brexit. After the UK leaves the EU, this can lead to some uncertainty on trading agreements. The another factor is customer rights and health policy. For economic factors, the first one is GDP growth. For example, Europe has strong GDP growth, so it means citizens in European countries have more effort to spend more on eating out. For economic crisis, the economic crisis in some locations in the world can lead to unemployment rates and a lower income of the customers. For the last one is the changing of trend. So the Subway have to follow the trend all the time. For social factors, increasing number of working people, especially women, in many countries, it can lead to increasing of sales. For religious rules, Subway launched Hallam food in many branches around the world for Muslims. For technological factors, today's world, technology play an important role in all fields. So Subway have to use technological tools to increase the sale and attract new customers by providing website, social network, application, and computer at point of purchase or kiosk. For environmental factors, for greener approach, Subway sets four objectives, which are the sustainable agriculture, sustainable packaging, the resource conservation, and climate action. Moreover, Subway agreed with the campaign to remove antibiotics from meat and other ingredients of Subway food. For legal factors, there are many strict laws that regulate the food quality, packaging, food hygiene, and other factors, and data protection for the user of subcard, and the calorie information policy in USA and in the UK. The Porter's five forces. The first one is bargaining power of suppliers. Subway has not many suppliers because Subway focuses on long-established relationship with suppliers. For threats of substitution, Fast food is an ordinary kind of food, so customers can easily find fast foods not only from the fast food restaurants. Subway is also a kind of these foods. The threats of new entrants. There are many new entrants in the fast food industry. The reason why new entrants can easily enter the market is to begin the fast food restaurant requires low operation costs, the bargaining power of buyers. In this case, more customers in the market, the more they has an impact to the business activity, especially pricing strategy. So customer might has effect to the company on setting product price. The rivalry among the existing competitors. Fast food industry has a wide market which has high number of fast food restaurants and chains. So I can summarize that Subway has weak bargaining power of suppliers, high threats of substitutions, high threats of new entrants, high bargaining power of buyers, and high rivalry among the existing competitors. For SWOT analysis. Strengths. Subway is the largest fast food restaurant chain in the world, and Subway started using technological tools in business activities. And the last one is Subway provide low start costs for franchisees. For weakness, Subway has high employee turnover and too much control over franchisees. Moreover, Subway overlooked about the hygiene while preparing food. The opportunities. Subway has long established relationships with partnership and suppliers. Subway never stopped expand branches globally, and changing of some trends may lead to increasing of sale of Subway. For threats, there are many competitors in the market, and Subway are controlled by strict laws and policy about food. An economic crisis in some countries may lead to decreasing of sales and a conflict between Subway and franchising.